My name is Muzammil bin Muhammad Zuki. My telephone number is 01938368830. The service provider is Celcom, and I was assigned with 4G Celcom technology. According to MCMC, the frequency spectrum allocated for 4G Celcom is from 2650 MHz to 2660 MHz for downlink and 2530 MHz to 2540 for uplink frequency. The antenna used to determine the 4G Celcom is using Omnilot 90200 that can detect frequency from 700 MHz until 2.5 GHz. Voltage standing wave ratio (VSWR) is defined as the ratio between transmitted and reflected voltage standing wave in a radio frequency electrical transmission system. For the ratio of 3 to 1 of VSWR, it gives the return loss of 6 dB. The type of connector of this antenna is SMA male connector, and the size is 210 multiply 22 and 15. The VSWR and the return loss both measure the same parameter, which is the signal reflected back in a transmission line. Okay, I was assigned for 4G Celcom. So first, we need to determine that this antenna supported or not to 2650 4G Celcom. So first, we need to enter this antenna from 5 GHz at the port 18 here. And then we need to set the frequency. First, we enter mode and we set the frequency start at 2600 MHz and stop at 2670 MHz. And then we enter the scale, and we enter the auto scale and marker.
Yeah.
And next, we enter the marker to determine the frequency at start and stop. So for marker 2650. So we find 2650, and marker 2 we find 2660. 660. So we can see that it showed within the range. It have the 2.5 dB. So the antenna is acceptable for determine the 4G Celcom. We use the directional antenna to find in the base station. The antenna used is Hyperlot 60350. This antenna can support of the frequency range from 680 MHz until 35 GHz. The VSWR is 122.5 and the connector used is the SMA female. The size of this antenna is 344 multiplied 225. Okay, to finding the base station and location of the base station, we need to use the directional antenna type of hyperlock directional antenna to find the base station. So for 4G Celcom, the range is between 2650 and 2660. So we need to first clear right and we set the frequency because we need to find the 4G Celcom from 2650, so we need to extend its range as the stop frequency to 670 MHz and start at 2640 MHz and trace. So we try to adjust this and click next hold. So it shows that at that direction it gives the best strength of the signal. So we can conclude that the location of base station is at right there.